Welcome to a new property tour. Today we are embarking on a journey to explore this 16th century villa, nestled in the colline Fiorentine. We are only 20 minutes from Florence city center and less than 1 hour from Siena. Let's go to discover the property. This magnificent estate has in total 1,200 square meters. The main villa behind me with 7 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms. And then there is another building just behind me with actually as an interesting project. The property is perfectly immersed in the landscape of the Florentine hills. And behind me, as you can see, there is an elegant entrance with hundreds of years-old cypress trees. The property once owned by the Martelli famous family from Florence consists of this main villa, then 4.5 hectares of land, a swimming pool area and another building with a lot of potential with an architectural project. And then there is a basement that can be converted in a wine cellar. The villa has been featured in a lot of interesting interior design magazine, such as Ville Giardini. What I can say and what I'm feeling now, that we are in a very cozy salone, and behind me there is frescoes that connect perfectly another cozy salon with a coffer ceiling and a big and huge dining room to enjoy dinner and lunch with friends. Then there is another side with another dining room and a huge kitchen, completely livable. Taking the original stone staircase, now we are in the second floor of the main villa, which is actually the sleeping quarters. We are in the hallway, which is actually the library room that perfectly connect all the bedrooms around. Now we are in one of my favorite bedrooms. What I really like, they are all completely furnished, keeping the Tuscan classic style. As you can see, the flooring in terracotta is present everywhere. And what I really love, and I think is the best part of each bedrooms, are the windows. Are the little frame of a piece of landscape. Now I'm in the second building of the estate. This is a real plus, a really incredible potential, since there is an already approved project by the municipality. It's in progress to become a second family home, and actually is facing to the pool area, is full of light with this arch and incredibly big windows. Now we are on the first floor and there is a hallway with a living room, which is this room, and then 3 master bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms. We are talking about 400 square meters, so we think that is a real plus of the property. The property offers an exclusive privacy with its perfectly maintained garden of approximately 4.5 hectares. Here you can find the beautiful rose garden, the lemon trees, the pine trees, and centuries-old cypresses. Look at the swimming pool with the Pietra Serena edge, offering breathtaking views of the untouched countryside of Tuscany. Now I'm on this spacious terrazza that for me represents the heart of the villa and the connection between the indoor and the outdoor part. It's perfect for hosting dinners, events, and even just for relaxing under the Tuscan sun. What is really special about this property is the possibility to use it both as a primary residence and as a second country home, with actually a great potential for tourist rental and hospitality business. Thanks for joining us in this exclusive tour discovering this 16th century villa for sale at 2.950 million. Don't forget to comment and subscribe on our channel so you will be updated on the next property tours. Ciao!